Victoria Falls, Mosi-oa-Tunya, the smoke that thunders. A curtain of water so vast, so powerful, it takes your breath away. The Zambezi River, wide and strong, plunges over the edge, a drop of over 100 meters. The spray rises high into the sky, a plume visible for miles. This is a place of raw beauty, a testament to the power of nature. Victoria Falls is one of the most spectacular waterfalls on Earth. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. The falls mark the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe, two countries in southern Africa. To stand before this natural wonder is to feel a sense of awe and wonder. It is a sight that stays with you long after you have left. The Zambezi River, the fourth longest in Africa, flows eastward for thousands of kilometers. It is a river of life, supporting a vast array of ecosystems and communities along its banks. Then, it reaches a point where the land dramatically drops away. This is the Batoka Gorge, a chasm carved over millennia by the river's relentless flow. Victoria Falls lies almost halfway along the Zambezi's journey to the Indian Ocean. The nearest town on the Zambian side is Livingstone, a historic town named after the famed explorer David Livingstone. Today, Livingstone is a hub for tourists, offering a gateway to the falls and the many adventures that await in the surrounding national park. The local people, the Tokaleya, called the falls Mosi-oa-Tunya long before European eyes ever gazed upon them. The name perfectly captures the essence of the falls. The thunderous roar of the water and the plumes of mist that rise like smoke. In 1855, Scottish explorer David Livingstone became the first European to document the falls. He named them after Queen Victoria, but the indigenous name Mosi-oa-Tunya continues to be widely used, a testament to the deep connection between the local people and this natural wonder. The falls have been a source of wonder and inspiration for centuries, and their story is intertwined with the history and culture of the region. A Tapestry of Life. The area around Victoria Falls is a haven for biodiversity. The spray from the falls creates a rainforest-like environment, supporting lush vegetation and a wide array of animal life. Towering trees draped in lianas, ferns unfurling in the humid air, and orchids adding splashes of color paint a vibrant scene. Elephants roam the forests, their deep rumbles echoing through the trees. Herds of buffalo graze on the grasslands, while baboons scavenge for food with their characteristic chatter. In the skies above, African fish eagles soar, their distinctive calls adding to the symphony of the wild. On the Edge of Majesty, the falls can be experienced in a myriad of ways. Walking trails wind through the rainforest, offering breathtaking views from different vantage points. The spray from the falls creates rainbows that dance in the mist, adding to the magical atmosphere. For the adventurous, there are thrilling activities like whitewater rafting on the Zambezi River. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the falls, the ground trembling beneath your feet, the roar of the water deafening. Feel the spray on your face, cool and refreshing. Look out over the chasm, a dizzying drop to the churning water below. This is an experience that will stay with you forever. A world within reach. Getting to Victoria Falls is easier than you might think. Zambia is a country that welcomes visitors from all over the world. International airports in Lusaka, the capital city, and Livingstone itself connect Zambia to major hubs in Africa and beyond. Once in Livingstone, A short drive takes you to the falls. There are comfortable lodges and hotels to suit every budget. And the local people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Zambia is a safe and welcoming destination, making it easy to relax and immerse yourself in the beauty of Victoria Falls. Zambia's treasure. Victoria Falls is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a symbol of Zambia's natural heritage, a source of pride for the nation. The falls draw visitors from all corners of the globe, contributing significantly to Zambia's economy. This tourism revenue helps support conservation efforts, ensuring that future generations will be able to experience the wonder of Victoria Falls. A visit to Victoria Falls is an unforgettable experience. It is a chance to connect with nature on a grand scale, to feel the power of the Earth's forces, and to witness the beauty of the natural world. So, come and discover the magic of Victoria Falls for yourself. Let the thunder of the water wash over you and the spray of the falls refresh your soul. Zambia awaits, ready to share its treasure with the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what topic you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.